Welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to use your iPad as a second monitor for your Mac computer. If you find yourself needing more screen real estate for gaming, streaming, or multitasking, but don't want to spend money on another device, this is the perfect solution. By using Sidecar, a built-in feature on compatible Mac and iPad devices, you can easily extend your macOS desktop or mirror it onto your iPad, complete with touchscreen controls. So, let's get started and show you how to set it up and get the most out of this powerful feature. Using the built-in feature, Sidecar, which is available on compatible Apple devices, you can connect your iPad to your Mac and use it as a second display. This feature allows you to either extend your macOS desktop or mirror it onto your iPad. For Sidecar to work, your Mac must be running macOS Catalina or later, and your iPad must be running iPad OS 13 or later. Both devices must be logged into the same Apple ID account, using two-factor authentication, and within 30 feet of one another if you plan to go wireless. Alternatively, you can use a USB to connect the two devices, which will also charge your iPad. To share your entire Mac desktop to your iPad, click on the display icon in the menu bar at the top right and choose your iPad. If you're on macOS Catalina, click on the AirPlay icon in the menu bar and then select your iPad. Once connected, you can choose to mirror your exact desktop to your iPad or use the iPad as an extension to your desktop. To share only one Mac window to your iPad, hover your mouse cursor over the green full screen button on the top left of most windows, then click on Move to iPad. When your screen is shared over to your iPad, a set of controls will appear on the left side of your iPad. These controls include the menu bar, dock, and Mac controls such as undo, keyboard, and disconnect. You can also use a number of swipe gestures, including scrolling with 2 fingers, copying by pinching in with 3 fingers, and undoing by swiping left with 3 fingers. In addition, you may be able to use the touch bar if the application on your iPad is compatible. If you don't want to use the sidebar or touch bar controls, you can hide them by clicking on the display icon and choosing the Hide Sidebar or Hide Touch Bar option. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it informative and enjoyable. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and I'll do my best to respond to them. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date with our latest content. And as always, thanks for your continued support.